everybody, and welcome to my channel. I'm Gigi, and today I'm going to do a review of my 2023 Fall Fab Fit Fun box. This is primarily for those of you who are seasonal and thinking about what to put in your boxes. Hopefully this review will help you. Okay, so my first choice was for customization number 1. I chose these beautiful wine glasses by Our Place. They are the two-tone option, and I think they are gorgeous. We have a subtle green hue, brownish green hue, and a pinky purple hue on each of these. And then of course the stem is reversed. These are really beautiful. Hold that up for you. Okay, I actually got more than those two because, you know, a girl needs a set of wine glasses, okay? All right, the second option, let's see, I'm looking down at my notes here, was the Alex and Ani bracelet. Yes, and it does come in a nice little giftable pouch, which is nice, and it has a little romance card in here for you. And it also comes in a little bubble wrap, just a little sheet. It is actually very pretty. Let's cover up my eyes so it'll focus on the bracelet. And it is quite flexible. That's part of, you advertise that this is a flexible bracelet. I have probably a larger than average wrist. It does go on, however, it does just fit right there. I wouldn't be able to get it any further. For reference, I am probably a 1X size in clothing, so if you're about the same size as me, you may or may not want to wear your bracelets in that position. For customization number 3, the Free People Lodge candle, and I do enjoy the scent. It is very nice. Very nice. As a matter of fact, I may have ordered a couple of extra to give away as gifts, so that's good. All right, for customization number 4, nothing too exciting, but hey, when you need them, you need them. Just a big pack, 48 pack of balloon buds. You put these on any pimples, and they have big claims that within 6 hours they'll be greatly reduced or gone, so we'll see. My option number 5, customization number 5, I chose the Lujo Bar eucalyptus shower steamers, and I'm going to smell them for the first time with you guys. So let's open these up. As a lot of people say, they're very strong. I could not smell them out of the package. So let's open them up and see. Ooh, ooh. That is very, very strong, and I would say slightly medicine-y. But if you were stopped up with sinuses or allergies and this was in your shower, or maybe you could just sniff it. You may not even need to take a shower. You could just sniff on underneath. I don't know if that's good for you or not. You may not want to do that. All right, let's see what we have next. All right, next, the next option I chose was the Obi waist pack. And again, I told you a little while ago that I'm about a size 1X. And this does fit around my waist. I'm going to show you real quick. I'm going to do a little move in here. Hold up. Here I am. All right, so there you go on my waist. That's what it looks like. I don't see any problem with the quality of this. However, I will say that the strap is not long enough for me to wear it across here comfortably. Zippers operate nicely. Not the smoothest zipper, but it's okay. And I think there's plenty of room if you needed to wear this. Okay. Then I had some add-ons because, you know, we all add on usually. The first one I had was scheduled to be a Christmas gift, but I might be keeping it myself. And that is the Alice and Olivia duffel. I have it buttoned up here, so if you wanted a little more room, you could unbutton that. Nice pockets. This is great quality. Now these zippers are very nice quality. They zip, they're smooth, no problems. It may be hard to tell on camera, but because this takes up so much of the screen, but this is really probably more of an overnight bag than a weekender. Gigi might be putting her shoes in it when she goes on trips because, you know, a girl has to have options. Okay. All right. Another addition that I did was the Living Proof brush. Very pretty. And I have not used it yet, but we're about to use it right now. I do not have any hairspray or anything in my hair. Probably have medium hair. I don't think I have fine hair. I certainly don't have thick hair. It's just curled. It frizzes a lot, so I'm curious to see what this does. So I don't know, let's run it through the hair. Does it look shinier? I haven't seen anybody use it yet. I will say that it's definitely not getting all the way to the scalp. But there you go. We used it. All right, let's see what's next. Next, I had a couple of add-ons. I'm gonna save the nail polishes for last because I did a little something with that. I did have the home mystery bundle, which included the cheese board. I'm not going to open this one fully because this one is going to be part of a gift for somebody. But it includes the cheese board and then the cute little Pier 1 cups. These are great. I do cook a lot, so these are great for ingredient bowls, or this would be a perfect size for ice cream bowls. They seem nice quality, and yeah, that was a great little addition to the bundle. And then the last item in the bundle was this electric juicer, which I have not used, but it seems nice quality, and I thought that was a pretty good bundle. I've been away from Fab Fit Fun for about 2 years, and I just re-upped. This is my third box since resubscribing as an annual, and I have done a few mystery bundles throughout the years, and this is by far the best one. I usually don't do them, but I thought, well, we'll give it another chance, and anyway, I like that one. So that one's turned out good. I did get a subscription of this. I like the J. Nelson shampoos. And then the last couple items I got was the London Town. And this little guy, she is so smooth. And you just put it there, and put your little bottle there, and you can just paint your nails, which we're gonna do. I purchased the nail veils in nail veil number 7 and 8. So this is, the pink one is number 7, and the red one is number 8. All right, so I have on this hand, I have the pink, except this finger is empty. And this is 2 coats. And the reason the finger's not painted, this one, is because I'm going to do just 1 coat. And I have several of London Town's nail veils, and I like them with 1 coat instead of 2. I don't know why, but I do. I just took this polish off, so this nail's looking a little rough. Now this one's going to be shiny, but you can see it's a little less color. It's just a little wash, a veil, if you will, of color. All right, so the red one is not my favorite. I don't like the way this looks. It's more of a pinky hue. So I'm going to show you just 1 coat of the red. All right, so oops, that is just 1 coat of the red, if you can tell the difference. But like I said, the red is not my favorite. It would probably, I have 4 or 5 of the nail veils, and I don't know if I'll ever reach for the red one, to be honest with you. I don't care for it. It almost looks like you didn't finish polishing your nails, if you will. Okay, that's it for my fall FabFitFun box. And I'm gonna insert some pictures of the glasses in some different places, so maybe you can get a better idea what they look like. All right, thanks for watching. Bye.